Hello to this week's tutorial. I know this picture looks horribly wrong, let me just fix that and then we talk white balance. This already looks a whole lot better, doesn't it? And actually all I did was changing the white balance. So you might guess already that the white balance changes the color in your photo. Actually that's not 100% correct because it actually changes the temperature in your photo. How you saw this photo before was very blue. So I changed the temperature into a colder temperature. So you can make the photo look blue, very blue actually, if you want that. As you also can make your photo look warmer when you change your settings into a warmer temperature. But usually you don't want that. You want to look your photo natural, pleasing for the eye. So you could take a white paper like this and just hold it in front of your lens and then adjust your white balance that your paper is looking perfectly white. I don't work like that, and usually I don't have paper with me all the time. I mean, when I'm somewhere and at a lake, somewhere in nature, I just don't bring a paper with me. So I just trust my eye, how it's looking on camera. If it's looking good on camera, I just go with that. And if it's not perfect, you still can adjust it in Lightroom or whatever editing software you're using. Das hat nicht lang gehalten. So the red light left me, we leave it like that. Happens. So, but you probably are more interested in how to adjust or set your white balance in your camera. So let's take my old camera, Sony A7rii for example, and I have here this circle, hope you can see it. And here's written white balance, or WB for white balance. Then I just press this button and then I have various options which I can choose, like automatic white balance, daylight, shadow, cloudy, artificial light. That's already pretty good. I mean, that's all you actually need. Maybe you're shooting on a near Sony, for example, I have here an A7rii. Then you press the function button and in the second row you find white balance and you get the same settings to choose. On Canon, Nikon, I honestly don't know. Just look in the menu, you will find it somewhere. If you don't find a button, then it's at least hidden in the menu. Alright, that's it about the white balance. If you have any questions, and I tend to forget things and maybe don't go too exactly and stuff, please ask me in the comments. In the future I will improve my explanation stuff, my explanation videos, but give me time. I'm new to this and I still try to find my way. Still, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I see you next time.